You put a sock on your head. Where's the sock go? Put on your foot. You're not gonna bring them all in here, are you? Oh, my hand is shaking. Who's that? Who's on the sock? Who's that? Can you say Elmo? I guess not. Let me see Elmo. Is that Elmo? Yeah, there's Elmo. Thank you. Thank you.
Go, yeah!
You are one strange kid.
Where? Oh.
He will wear a hat, but he'll wear a box on his head. What are you doing? Ugh.